Mother Lakshmi is. And among the various mothers we have is your own mother who gave you birth. We tend to forget the living God among us, before us. And I'm reminding each and every one that that mother, the one who gave you birth, who did so much for you when you couldn't help yourself, we should always be mindful and grateful and thankful to her that she's around while she's there, and if she's no longer there, then wherever the soul is, we don't know, the soul didn't die, then may our blessings and our prayers and good wishes reach that soul, that whenever she reincarnates, she shall have that blessings. So having said these few words, we have a program by the young ones, and they told me give them enough time. I asked them how much time. They say 40 minutes. I said, my God. Well, if they want 40 minutes, and I know it'll take a little more than that. So I'll be brief. I'll do what I think is necessary. So we start off by mantra. We focus upon Divine Mother Lakshmi and Om Tat Sat, Jai Siddheshwari, Jai Jyoti Swarupa, Jai Lakshmi Ma. We join in Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. Om Shri Vigneshwaraya Namah. Om Shri Guru Charan Kamal Bhyo Namah. Om Ai Mahasaraswatyai Namah. Om Namaschandikaya. Om Siddheshwari Jyoti Swarupai Lakshmi Mata Namo Namah. Om Uma Maheshwaraya Namah. Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Indra Uvachaha. Om Namaste Stu Mahamaye Shri Pithe Surya Pujite Shankha Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namaste Garurarudhe Kolasu Bhayankari Sarva Papare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvagye Sarvarde Sarvadushta Bhayankari Sarvadukh Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Om Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayani Mantra Murti Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Umadyantarahite Devi Arya Shakti Maheshwari Yoga Je Yoga Sambhote Mahalakshmi Namostute. Om Stula Sukshma Maharaudre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapap Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Padma Sanstite Devi Parabrahma Swarupini Parameshi Jaganmatar Mahalakshmi Namostute. Om Svetambar Dhare Devi Nana Lankara Bhoshite Jagatstite Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute. Om Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Stotram Yapate Bhakti Manara Sarva Siddhi Muvapnoti Rajam Prapnoti Sarvaram Eka Kali Pati Nityam Mahapap Vinashanam Dvikalam Yapati Nityam Dhandhanya Samanvitaham Trikalam Yapati Nityam Mahashatru Vinashanam Mahalakshmi Bhavi Nityam Prasanya Barada Shubham. Om Edkritam Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Sampurnam. Bole Shri Mahalakshmi Mata Ki. Devotees, every mantra has a Phal Shruti. It gives some bardhan, some gift, something that we all seek, something that we all need. So here, what is written here? जो मनुष्य भक्ति युक्त होकर इस महालक्ष्मी अष्टकम स्तोत्र का शराब पार करता है, वह सारी सिद्धियां और राज्य भवों को प्राप्त कर सकता है। जो प्रतिदिन एक समय पाठ करता है उसके बड़े बड़े पापों का नाश हो जाता है, और जो 2 समय पाठ करता है वह धन धान से संपन्न होता है। जो प्रतिदिन 3 काल पाठ करता है उनके महान शत्रुओं का नाश हो जाता है और उनके ऊपर कल्याणकारिणी वरदायिनी महालक्ष्मी सराही प्रसन्न होता है। Devotees, what is being said here? Who recite this stotra, the mantras I just recited, एक समय, once for the day, then bade bade पापों का नाश हो जाता है. Whatever sins we have accumulated can be destroyed, dispersed. So powerful is what we just recited. और 2 समय का पाठ करता है, if you do it twice for the day, then धन धान संपन्न होता है. Whatever we need in the form of wealth, and there are all types of wealth, we'll not go into that, then that will also come to us. And जो प्रतिदिन काल पाठ करता है उसके महान शत्रुओं का नाश हो जाता है. And if you want to do 3 times for the day or every day, then whatever enemies, internal and external, confronting you, then those enemies will be destroyed. This is the greatness of Kalyankarini Vardayini Mahalakshmi Ma. Bole Shri Mahalakshmi Mata Ki Jai. Having said that, devotees, there are some powerful mantras dedicated to Mother Lakshmi. I shall recite them, listen to them, and say it in your mind. The first one, Om Shring. Say it in your mind, Om Shring. The next one, Om Ain Hring Shring. Jeshta Lakshmi Swayambhuve Hring Jeshtaya Namah. All of these mantras, that was a 1 syllable mantra, 1 letter mantra. The next one is more than 1 letter. It does all that we need, give us what we need. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Aim Kamala Vasinye Swaha. Om Mahalakshmi Vidmahi Vishnu Priyaya Dhimahi Tannu Lakshmi Prachodayat. So devotees, I don't want to keep repeating the same thing, but these more mantras can bestow great boon and vardhan and all that we need. And man has many needs, physical needs, spiritual needs, and you name it. Now, Diwali is a time where we say a lot of cleaning up is taking place. And so devotees, I want to use the point of cleaning up in a different sense. So, we do a lot of scrubbing and so on. So what we've been told by the sages from the spiritual point of view, scrub the dirt of agyan or ignorance with the detergent of gyan or knowledge. Scrub ignorance with the detergent of knowledge. We all do a lot of cobwebbing. Put down the cobweb of hate, lust, false pride, greed and anger. And how do you do it? Use the brush of santosh or contentment. Look at the depth of this religion and the sages, what they are saying to us. Now we normally sweep away dust and what have you. So the sages are saying sweep away the dust of falsehood and deceit using the broom of honesty and clear thinking. That's the broom. Then we do a lot of washing down. Wash away the grime of egoism, arrogance and discord with what? The clear, calm, clean waters of humility and spirituality. Then you're really cleaning, then you're preparing for Diwali. If not, well, it's just a physical cleansing. The sages say again, so we paint the walls of your life with hope, faith, and positive thoughts. It's a lot I'm saying in this brief way, but it means so much. So paint the walls of your life with hope, faith, and positive thoughts. Some of us like to hang curtains, that's good. So what these sages are saying, hang new curtains of satsang or association with holy ones, association for the truth. Then you're hanging curtains. If not, it's a physical action to make the place beautiful physically. Then we like to refurbish and redecorate. So the sages are saying refurbish and redecorate your life with practices. What kind of practices? Worship of the Guru, respect of the Guru, self-study, spiritual disciplines, respect for all, love for all, and it goes on. And finally, it says, we all know how important Mother Lakshmi appeared on the lotus. The lotus represents perfection. Become like the lotus. Strive for perfection. Become like the diya. We light lots of diyas. Become like the diya. Let there be light to yourself, knowledge to yourself, and wisdom. And he says, if we do this, then undoubtedly we would have done a true Diwali cleanup. So after all, you could tell me how much you clean up. How much you really clean up? What have we really cleaned up? What cleanup did we do? I am only asking. You know. You know. So having said that, we have this well-known bhajan from way back. Dhan Dhan Lakshmi Maharani, Mai Puja Karun Tihari. Ma, I worship you, O Mother Lakshmi. You are the bestower of wealth. In the auspicious month of Kartik, everyone worships you, and throughout the year, with great fervor, the sages and the holy ones taught men or man how to perform Agni Puja. Diyas are lit in rows, flowers decorate everywhere. There's brilliance everywhere, ma. The devotee's mind is engulfed in happiness. And, O Mother, we have also light is lit everywhere to mark the return of Sri Ram. In the mountains, rivers and streams, everywhere is lit with the diyas. Every man and woman of Ayodhya offers gratitude to the Lord of such good fortune. Now we will focus more on the appearance of Mother Lakshmi. We know about Bhagwan Sri Ram. So we want Mother Lakshmi to appear within us, in our thoughts, in our actions, in everything, so that we'll always be bathed in light and never live in the darkness of ignorance. So, join if you know the song. If not, Jai Lakshmi Ma. Dhan Dhan Lakshmi Maharani, मैं पूजा करूं तुम्हारी. धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूं तुम्हारी. जब कार्तिक मासो आई, तन थर थर कर बतसारी. जब कार्तिक मासो आई, तन थर थर कर बतसारी. ऋषियों यह विधि बताई, अग्नि पूजा करवाई. ऋषियों यह विधि बताई, अग्नि पूजा करवाई. धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूं तुम. So devotees, when we light our diyas, that's quite in order. But remember to perform again puja, light the kindle fire, and recite various mantras, offer the ghee, and whatever else you have. If you do so, then you're purifying your environment, your very life, and your home. मुख दियन बारी, फूलों से मंडप ये सारी. बरे जगमग जगमग सारी, मन देखी देखी हर्षाई. धन धन लक्ष्मी महारानी, मैं पूजा करूं तुम्हारी. मैं पूजा करूं तुम्हारी. And we'll sing the well-known mantra. Mantra Murti Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namastute. Mantra Murti Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. To Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi, Bhokti Mukti Pradaye Deha. Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi, Bhokti Mukti Pradaye प्रदायिनी बोलो सिद्धि मंत्र मूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते मंत्र मूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी मुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी बोलो सिद्धि मंत्र मूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते मंत्र मूर्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी बोलो सिद्धि जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ बोलो जय 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 लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ बोलो जय लक्ष्मी जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ 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 जय जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ बोलो बोलो जय जय माँ जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माता जय जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ 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 मैया जय लक्ष्मी माता जय लक्ष्मी माँ बोले श्री महालक्ष्मी माता की. So devotees, how much can we say? We must give enough time for these young ones who are excited, who are willing, and so I shall hand over to those who have been preparing them for this wonderful event. So everything now is in praise of Divine Mother. Remember what happened earlier today. Whatever it might be is of no consequence. What we do now is of utmost importance. And we are here to engage in an evening of devotion to Divine Mother Lakshmi. And as the evening progresses, pray for yourselves, your near and dear ones. Ask Divine Mother to bless you and to bless that dear mother of yours, wherever she might be.
Sitaram everyone, and welcome to Om Shakti's annual Diwali celebration. I've been given the opportunity to take you through this portion of this evening's proceedings, and we have what I would describe as a very meaningful program in store, both meaningful in its intent and in its participants. You'll notice a trend this evening of very young, very talented, very brave, and in some instances, very little tiny individuals who, when asked, have undertaken the responsibility to contribute to tonight's proceedings. Our first item, she's very excited, will be done by one of the youngest members of our temple, Miss Avni Prasad. She is 4 years old and will be singing some very short but very sweet kirtans appropriate for this time of year. Please welcome Avni to the stage.
Jyoti Behera Jyoti Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Antara Jyoti Behera Jyoti Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Antara Jyoti Behera Jyoti Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Jyoti Behera Jyoti Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Antara Jyoti Behera Jyoti Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah Diwali Jyoti Namo Namah. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Devi Jagamata Jai Jai Devi Jagamata. Devi Jagamata Jai Jai Devi Jagamata. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Devi Jagamata Jai Jai Devi Jagamata. Devi Jagamata Jai Jai. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata. Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devi Jagamata.
Thank you very much, Avni. A job well done, I must say. Moving right along. Next, we will have Archana Ganesh, the eldest of the Ganesh girls, a very intelligent, very articulate young lady who will enlighten us about one of the origins and significance of this wonderful occasion of Diwali. Please welcome Archana.
The churning of the ocean and the appearance of Lakshmi Ma. According to the scriptures, the Devas and Asuras, locked in eternal battle, were advised to churn the ocean of milk, Kshir Sagar, in search of divine treasures. The mountain Mandarachal became the churning rod. Vasuki, the serpent, served as the rope, and Bhagwan Vishnu in his Kurma process as the base. From this great churning, 14 treasures emerged, the most radiant being Mahalakshmi herself, resplendent on a lotus. Her appearance allows the Divine Mother to manifest within us as light, purity, and knowledge. Lakshmi Devi, the Shakti of Bhagwan Vishnu, represents the sustaining power of the cosmos. She is Chit Shakti, pure consciousness, manifesting as will, Icha Shakti, right action, Kriya Shakti, and knowledge, Gyan Shakti. Through her grace, we receive not only material prosperity, but also spiritual wealth, the light of awareness.
Thank you, Archana. I'm sure we all leave after that message that much more enlightened. Moving right along, tonight we're very fortunate to have young Pandit Abhay Dubey with us, a young man of great talent who carries great responsibility at school, a great writer, and tonight he can add singer to his repertoire. He will be singing Lakshmi Maya. Please warmly welcome Abhay.
Lakshmi Maya, utare teri aarati, parasado ma kripa, sabki naya, dukho se tu hi tarati, barasado ma kripa. Lakshmi Maya, utare teri aarati, parasado Lakshmi Maya, utare teri aarati, parasado ma kripa. Teri bhakti jagi to main sharan karate bandhan. Teri bhakti jagi to main sharan karate bandhan. Tu hai Shakti Parmeshwar ki ka jo sabke bandhan. Tu hai Shakti Parmeshwar ki ka jo sabke bandhan. Lakshmi Maya, utare teri aarati, parasado ma kripa. प्रेम करी पचला के मैया आरती तेरी उतारूं. प्रेम करी पचला के मैया आरती तेरी उतारूं. हे जग जोजी कष्ट नवारी आने नांदियारे. हे जग जोजी कष्ट नवारी आने नांदियारे. लक्ष्मी मैया उतारे तेरी Parasado ma kripa. Lakshmi Maya, utare teri aarati, parasado ma kripa.
Thank you very much, Abhay. A job well done indeed. Next, we have a little student of dance who I must confess is in high demand this Diwali season. Firstly, she's booked at our temple's Diwali program tonight, and bright and early tomorrow morning she'll also be performing at her school's Diwali program. Adhya Ganesh is 7 years old and is a new but very dedicated student of dance. Dancing Maya Yashoda, please welcome Adhya to the stage.
जी की कृपा से मैं बची, राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची, राम जी की कृपा से। मैया यशोदा ये तेरा कन्हैया, पनघट पे मेरी पकड़े है मैया, तंग मुझे करता है संग मेरे लड़ता है। राम जी की कृपा से मैं बची, राम
Thank you very much, Adhya. Now, not to boast, but I've seen that dance many times. I can tell you this is a child who's certainly dedicated to her craft because she practiced all day, every day. So, thank you, Adi. Job well done. Moving right along, Miss Anavi Ganesh is next. She's the elder sister of Adhya, younger sister of Archana, is talented in so many ways and is certainly a well-rounded young lady. She's been hard at work honing her musical skills to play what will undoubtedly be a beautiful rendition of Jai Jagadisha Hare on the harmonium. Please put your hands together for Anavi Ganesh. Good job, Anavi. I hope you don't mind me saying, but Mom did mention you were feeling nervous, but you did a fantastic job and certainly following in Mommy's footsteps. Thank you very much, Anavi. Up next, we have a treat in store from Little Miss Rudvika Rayavaram. She is the younger sister of a young man who is no stranger to Om Shakti, young Devansh, who will also be performing for us tonight. She is a student of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation. And as we know, dance can also be a form of devotion. So as an offering to Sri Ram, Rudvika will be dancing to Ram Ayenge. Over to you, Rudvika.
आज पग पग पलक बिछाएंगे ओ आज गली गली अवध सजाएंगे आज पग पग पलक बिछाएंगे आज सूखे हुए पेड़ फल जाएंगे मैं ना भीगे भीगे जाए कैसे खुशी ये छुपाए राम आएंगे कुछ समझ न पाए कहाँ फूल बिछाए राम आएंगे मैं ना भीगे भीगे जाए कैसे खुशी ये छुपाए राम आएंगे कुछ समझ न पाए कहाँ फूल बिछाए राम आएंगे आज सर झुके तट मुस्काएंगे मोर नाचेंगे पपी है आज गाएंगे आज दसो ये दिशाएं जैसे शगुन मनाए राम आएंगे नैना भीगे भीगे जाए कैसे खुशी ये छुपाए राम आएंगे कभी ढोल बजाए कभी द्वार सजाए राम आएंगे कुछ समझ न पाए कहाँ दीप जलाए राम आएंगे
So I've observed that whenever Devansh sings, Rutvika is not far behind giving him a thumbs up. So Rutvika, thumbs up is all yours today. Well done. Miss Ambi Pasad will be the next young lady to grace the stage. Ambi has already started following in her Aji's footsteps as she's been blessed with a beautiful voice, and tonight she intends to put that gift to good use. She will sing for us a beautiful bhajan, one of Aji's favorites actually, entitled Ram Aayenge.
मेरी झोपड़ी की बागाज खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे मेरी झोपड़ी की बागाज खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे मेरी झोपड़ी के बागान खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे मेरी झोपड़ी के बागान खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो राम आएंगे तो अंगन सजाऊंगी दीप जल के दिवाली में बनाऊंगी राम आएंगे तो अंगन सजाऊंगी दीप जल के दिवाली में बनाऊंगी मेरे जन्मों के सारे पाप मिट जाएंगे राम आएंगे मेरे झोपड़ी के बागाज खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे राम झूलेंगे तो पालना झुलाऊंगी मीठी मीठी में भजन सुनाऊंगी राम झूलेंगे तो पालना झुलाऊंगी मीठी मीठी में भजन सुनाऊंगी मेरी जिंदगी की सारी दुख मिट जाएंगे राम आएंगे मेरे झोपड़ी के बागान खुल जाएंगे राम आएंगे पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो
Well done, Ambi. Certainly a wonderful example to your younger brothers. Up next, we will have Devansh Rayavaram. He is a student of Dr. Kamla Dhyani of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation. He's a very talented young man and the elder brother of Rutvika, who just performed. He's a budding young musician and no stranger to Om Shakti, singing Ram Siya Ram from the movie Adi Purush. Please welcome Devansh to the stage.
चल के राम पे आए, प्रेम कोई हम और न जाने, राम से रूते राम से माने, राम सिया की करुण कहानी। एक है चंदन एक है पानी, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम। Nam denam danam dunam denam dani ta denam dani ta denam dani ta dum ta na denam dani ta dum ta na denam dani ta dum ta na denam dani ta sani pama ni pagarisa। हरि अनंत हरि कथानंता, कहीं सुनहि बहु विधि सब संता, राम रतन धन जो कोई पाए, जीवन भर रामायण गाए, मंगल गावन अमंगल हारी, प्रभु दशरथ अजर बिहारी, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम। Thank you.
Thank you, Deva and Shana. Job well done. Rutvika, he gets a thumbs up today. Right. Job well done. Right. So I want to thank you all for bearing with us so far. We are coming to a close. I would like to move on to the next part of this evening's proceedings, which is what I would call the fun and game section of the program, because it is quite literally a fun game, interactive, that will be led by Yuvraj. Now, this young man has acted, he has told some funny jokes at our various events over the years, and whatever he's done, he does it well and with great humor. So, joined by his brother Yadav, they will lead us through this part of the program. Please put your hands together for the boys.
Auntie Chandika, I want you to come first. Choose anyone.
Congratulations. So in the Moana Cross is part of a deer which is lit, right? Yes, you kind of sort of announce the questions, you know, Yadav.
Well, Arav. Choose any question. Which one? 3 down. The Festival of Lights. What's the Festival of Lights? Well done. Diwali is correct. That's a W. Uncle Poyo. Which question you want to do? For Cross, who is the Hindu goddess of wealth?
Lakshmi Mata.
That's correct. Why are they not clapping? Daddy. Which question you want to do? Two down. A liquid used to light diyas. Oil is correct. Uncle Rakesh. Six down. A word opposite in meaning to dark. Light is correct. Where up here? Four down. A traditional Indian dress often worn for celebration.
What's the answer?
A traditional Indian dress often worn for celebrations. Okay, sari is correct. Well done, Aki. Auntie Primati, Nani. 5 across. Indian sweet treats served at Diwali. What is an Indian sweet treat served at Diwali? Kurma is wrong. Anybody want to help her?
Barfi.
That's wrong. Anybody else? Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Laddu.
That is also wrong. That is correct. Mithai is correct. Auntie Mira. We are ready. Five down. 5 down. A ritual. A ritual done at home or temple.
Fran.
Wrong.
Hawan.
That's also wrong.
Puja.
That is correct. Adia. Tree across. Bright objects set off in the sky during Diwali. That is correct. Fireworks is correct. This is the last question. Okay. I'll let all you choose who wanna go this time. Who wanna go? No volunteers? Wow. Yeah, Gurji, pick somebody. Pick anybody. Uncle Motilal. So, 2 across. colorful flower art made with rice powders and flowers. You don't know, so who wanna answer? Rangoli, that's correct. Okay, my mistake. We still have a next question. So, Mommy. Oh, this was her idea, not mine. So, one down, a small lamp lit during Diwali. Diyas. Diyas is correct. Thank you, everybody.
All right, thank you to Yuvraj and Yadav for taking us through that part of the program. You know, Diwali is not just about the physical illumination, but the mental illumination as well. So these little puzzles help us, you know, to be mentally illuminated as well. Now, one of the last items on the program will be done by the members of the Mandir. They will be singing a bhajan so synonymous with Diwali that the season doesn't feel complete until you hear it. And being completely transparent, it is so well known that we could get together and sing it without having practice first. So, that bhajan is none other than He Anadhana Ki Maharani. Please welcome the members of the temple to the stage.
धन की महारानी उजय लक्ष्मी रानी हे अन धन की महारानी उजय लक्ष्मी रानी तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी उजय लक्ष्मी रानी तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी उजय लक्ष्मी रानी मंदिर तिहारा चम चम करे लाखों दियों की ज्योति भरे मंदिर तिहारा चम चम करे लाखों दियों की ज्योति भरे भक्तों का भंडार भरे हाथों से धन की बरकत करे तेरी हम पे भी हो मेहरबानी मन से जो माँ की पूजा करे, माँ उसके सारे दुखड़े हरे। मन से जो माँ की पूजा करे, माँ उसके सारे दुखड़े हरे। गिरती हवा की किस्मत जो माँ चलती पड़े और बरसी करे। कोई देवी न तुझसे रानी, हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हे अनधन की महारानी, हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी। तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी, हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी। हे अनधन की महारानी, हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी।
Right, so be honest. Could you tell that we didn't practice? Well done, team. So this brings us to the very last item of our program, and that will be a dance. Yeah, okay. So dancers are ready. That will be a dance. They have traveled quite far to be here this evening, as far as Plum Meetan, I understand. So headed by Karan Ramprasad, this dance group was founded in early 2023. This dynamic group was long overdue, a true spark in the world of East Indian dance, led by none other than artistic director and choreographer Karan Ramprasad, who brings over 24 years of experience to the stage. Their work is rooted in tradition and ignited with passion, specializing in classical dance form adapted to the rich and expressive Bharatnatyam style. They blend discipline with fire, grace with power. Let's welcome with a lusty round of applause the dynamic Chingari dance group.
तुलसी ने झूम के गाई, कोई मस्त मगन चौपाई। पागल है खुशी से नैना घर आए मेरे रघुराई। हो रामचंद्र जहाँ ठुमक चले, हर्षित है वो अंगनाई। क्या सुनना है क्या कहना घर आए रघुराई। अब आठों पहर तेरे मंदिर में गुजारा है। नगरी है अयोध्या की, सर झुका किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है। नगरी है अयोध्या की, सर झुका किनारा है। मेरे राम लला हर दिन तेरा ही नजारा है। सूखी नदी में जैसे मछली बहे, नाथ बिन तेरे हम ऐसे जीते रहे। हो आज बावरा तो होना बनता है प्रभु, बन गए हैं फूल सारे दर्द जो सहे। तेरी खड़ा शीश पे लेके जोगी बने नाचे हम, तू जो कहे। तू जितना भरत का था उतना ही हमारा है। नगरी है अयोध्या की, सर झुका
Thank you to the Chingari Dance Company. Beautiful selection to wonderful music certainly brings about those emotions that Diwali makes you feel. So that brings us to a close. I would like to take this time to wish you and your family Shubh Diwali. May Lakshmi Ma's blessings illuminate your homes and your hearts. I hope everyone has a wonderful and safe Diwali. Thank you, and Sitaram.
Bole Shri Mahalakshmi Mata Ki Jai. So devotees, we have had a wonderful display of talent, devotion and love by our young devotees as well as a guest item. I just want to inform you that this evening's satsang was sponsored by a family well known to us. This family, Gurmai knows them very well as Chandika and Swastika. And so I shall ask them to speak on that, on the family a bit. I've been doing puja for them years now. I know the parents, grandparents, and they're from Kwaitigo Martin, and they come here regularly on a Thursday, whenever we have service, and always willing to serve whenever called upon. They work very hard, they save, they give generously, and what else can we say? So I don't know if there's anything you wish to say, Gurmai, on this wonderful occasion of these individuals, Neera and company, Frankie and company, Avinash and company, their wonderful daughter and son.
Well, I think Guruji said everything on our behalf, but coming from me, I would like to say to you, Frankie, first of all, he started cutting my lawn for me, and when I asked him how much, he said, don't worry about that, don't worry. And then now his son is doing everything for us at our home, and by extension my son, Neera, and your daughter and cousin, right? Yes. I must say I feel very proud to see you all move as a family. As Guruji said, sometimes we don't even have to ask. Once she sees it on the chat, and mind you, they are very humble people. They make ends meet. She has a mom who is 80-something. She takes care of her. She takes care of her husband. So continue on the path of devotion, and you will see your way. Whatever you don't have in this life, you will be blessed in your next life. I promise you. There is a reason why things happen, but we thank you, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Sitaram, and happy Diwali to you.
Thank you. And we call upon Chandika to give her appreciation and recognition of those who performed, took part in the program.
Chitam devotees, I just want to, again, just make a special mention of Auntie Neera, Uncle Frankie. I don't want to forget any of your names. Ajay, Avisha, Avinash. Did I get it correct? Great. All very wonderful, special, devoted devotees of our mandir. And I say this knowing all the sacrifices that you make for our family, for dharma, for this mandir. I know you frequently message, I want to give something, I want to donate something, I want to contribute towards something. Your heart is pure, and I can tell. Even if it's to come help clean the mandir or contribute in some shape or form. I always tell you I love and adore how your daughter stands by you and these two wonderful boys. All right, you have a blessed family, and I honestly think there's nothing that you should yearn for. You have family, you have love, you have everything, and you have Bhagwan's grace. So don't yearn for anything more. You have everything you need here right now. Make the most of it and continue to be as wonderful as you are. I am proud to know you. I am blessed to know you. The emotion is the same. We are grateful. Thank you for all that you do for the family and for this mandir. And again, they would have sat a shrota and they would have contributed towards the meals. Blessings to you. I want to say blessings to Rajesh, Halima, and family for sponsoring and preparing the prasad tonight. That's, without saying, they volunteered very quickly on the chat, and we are really grateful every single time somebody shows up and shows out for our mandir for each and every service. So blessings to you. For those who prepare the mandir, the bedi, who would have cleaned the mandir, all of those who come weekly, thank you, blessings to you. I just want to highlight, and I'm sure you agree with me, the children of our mandir have really shone brightly tonight. Please give them a round of applause. They absolutely deserve it. For those of you who may not have performed, please understand that you are more than invited to for our next rounds. Whatever program it may be, even if I don't remember to reach out to you, just know that I know for a fact we are full of talented here this mandir. Right? So Arab, Havish, anybody I forget, Yuvraj, it was so simple. I just suggested to Halima, let the boys do a little crossword puzzle, and they're like, yes, we're going to do it. I love that. And these are the people who you're accustomed being around. My daughters were nervous to do what they had to do, and I said, listen, this is like a second home. This is where it starts. You want to make a mistake, make it amongst people who love and adore you, who will give you a second chance. And again, you are not doing it to impress anybody here at the mandir. You are doing it for Bhagwan. If you do it for the right reason, you progress and you get perfection. All right? So please, I invite you, even the elders, you have a pivotal role in how these children's lives are shaped. If you do not volunteer them, give them the opportunity, the privilege, I would say, they will not truly see the essence of what they are capable of. You are in charge now while they are under your roof. Please take precedence, show them what they can do. Have faith and belief in them and really see them shine, as you have seen tonight. And this is what Diwali really is it not? It is not the fireworks. All right? It's not that if we can light the most number of diyas outside the house and put up the most icicle lights. It's not about that. All right? It's showing people out there, Bhagwan, being grateful to Divine Mother Lakshmi for all that we are blessed with. Wealth, health, prosperity is great. But like Daddy said, health and character, everything. You lose that, you lose everything. All right? Continue to come to the mandir. And this is what satsang is, basically association with the Holy One, singing, dancing, clapping, playing the music. This is our culture. Be proud, own it, give back. All right? So before I continue on like a kata, I am sorry, but I am proud. I am very proud of all the children here tonight. And I'm not going to call names because I don't want to leave out anyone. Even being here is you not being on your iPad. Being here is choosing God, not home, not TV. You have chosen to come here, and of course you didn't have a choice. Your parents said, get ready and come. All right? So please continue to come. Our next service is next week, Tuesday. That's the day after Diwali. I know you'll be tired, but again, a very devoted member of our mandir past, you would know Vishnu. He is no longer with us. He prepared the Govardhan mountain annually, selflessly. And his wife and daughter here. Just imagine, Shalini, Auntie Nimti, I know the grief is real. I see it on your faces and I know what you are feeling. There's nothing I can say or do to replace Uncle Vishnu. And I see the emotions. Please know our sympathies are with you, our condolences. He is a critical member of our mandir. We will not forget him. His soul lives on. Never forget that. I know today was the Bandara. So this is the kind of dedication of the people we have at our mandir. I mean, you look at them and the grief it's unbearable. You cannot replace the father of a home. You can't. And they are here showing their support. I mean, that is incredible, right? To feel grief and to still come up and show out, this is really a remarkable act on your part. Please continue to be part of us and know that we appreciate everything he has done. And if anything, come out on Tuesday for Govardhan Puja. We have our shrotas, prasad, and meals prepared. Please come out and support us. Be here. We intend to have the Ramila play that you would have supposed to see tonight. It would be on Tuesday instead. All right? From, again, our little ones who are trying to prepare something for you. Again, it takes time, it takes energy, it takes sacrifice. Give them the time of day that they deserve. All right? And then our next service will be a little bit earlier because it falls on a Saturday. It's the 25th of October, and you know we have the Shivgan organization. If you would have come Grandi, you would have seen them. They performed the first night of the 3 nights of Ramlila at the Swahindu College. For those who happened to turn out those 3 nights, you would see the remarkable success it was, as it always is. So I'm going to invite you for the Shivgan organization Ramlila play on the 25th of October, and we will begin at 5. That's because the Shrota is going to do full puja. After she finishes, we will have the Ramlila play, and it's a full play, song, dance, merriment. All right? Celebration of Sri Ram and the life of Sri Ram. All right? So again, Sitaram, do return home safely. Take your meals, your prasadam, your panchamrit, give dakshina arati, and come again. All right? Sitaram.
Thank you very much, Chandika. Well spoken. So what more can we do or say except to stand and conclude with arati and closing prayer? Wonderful. Blessings to one and all. Have a meaningful Deepavali.
Om Jai Lakshmi Mata Maya Jai Lakshmi Mata Tumko nish din dyavat Tumko nish din dyavat Har Vishnu Dhata Om Jai Lakshmi Mata
लक्ष्मी माता
ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता
गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बही बहिना 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 गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर गंगा वही पर जमुना
पर गंगा वही पर जमुना
बिचवा में धारा बहिना बहिना
जुआ में धारा बहिना बहिना
गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर चंद्रा वही पर सरचू
पर चंद्रा वही पर सरजू
बिचवा में धारा उगेना उगेना
जुआ में तारा उगेना उगेना
गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना ही पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण ही पर रामा वही पर लक्ष्मण बिचवा में सीता हरिना हरिना
जुआ में सीता हरेना हरेना
गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना 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 गंगा तुरी धारा बहिना बहिना
Devotees, before I say the closing prayer, there's a devotee who, when she came to the Singhasan, made a comment that is so true, so meaningful, and so powerful. And I will not call her name. When she comes, you'll see who it is. Send it to Dolahim Bhai. Tell it to Dolahim come. You, yes. Give her a mic. Tell him your name and tell him what you told me. And he could add a bit to it too. Sit down.
I mean, we didn't have to go to the Walinagar for a show, and it was, well, just as good or better because we were so comfortable here, and seeing these young ones is always, you know, a joy. So continue, everybody. It was a nice show.
Well spoken. And really, this evening was touching in many ways. Many, many ways. I don't want to go it over. Children have school tomorrow. Not that it matters. I hope. Sorry, I should say that. But the school is important. So we appreciate everyone and the contribution of the young ones and you, the parents and well-wishers who support them. So we join in closing prayer. Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu Mangalam Garudhvajam Mangalam Pundarikakshah Mangalaya Tanuhari Om Avahanam Najanami Visarjanam Pujang Chaiva Najanami Chambatam Parmeshwari Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sekha Tvameva Tvameva Vedya Dravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti 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 बोले श्री लक्ष्मी माता की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उड़ैसा जगन्नाथ की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, बोले श्री गुरु भगवान की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की। आप लोग बैठ जाए, be seated, and devotees. There's also an individual who came recently on a certain occasion, the loss of a baby, not hers, but grandson. The grandson passed away, and she left New York to come to join with the family, and she is well known to some of us, or most of us. She's the sister of Angela, and she is here tonight, and we're happy to have her, and we say blessings to you. We know it's a big loss. We know it's very, very sad, but you show again the strength like Nimti and other members of the family. So, wherever our soul, we say Ram Nam Satya Hai. The Lord will take care of that, and you take care of yourselves. Antel is your son and daughter-in-law. So, blessings to you all. So, devotees, many things are happening. Just before coming, I got a call, if you don't mind, while seeing about anything there. And this wonderful godchild of mine came by my gate. Guruji, my mother just died. Right in the corner of Johnny King Road. Yeah? Nice child. Lady only 47 years, but her daughter came home. And so she has passed away. A lot of death taking place. That's why we should make most use of the time that we have to do the greatest good. It's up to you and I. So now Sunday, instead of joining you all, I'll be doing funeral. So it's happening every day. And there's more, eh? There is more. You know why they did this puja here? Because a member of the family passed away, so they couldn't do it home. Just recently. They wonderful people. So many things are happening. We need to be mindful and thank God every day for the gift of life. When we get up in the morning, with chups and ainty and winty and whatever, say, Lord, I thank you. I could see the sunshine. I could inhale the fresh air. I can do something good. That's for all of us. Me too. Okay. I could go on talking, but I know. Thank you, everyone.